Hi traders, it is Friday morning, about 2 hours into the non-farm payroll announcement, and I'm getting ready to enter short into the euro-yen. We have had a 10-minute band touch, as you can see, and I'm going down to a 1-minute chart. I'm hoping to get in as close to 142.16 as possible, but I'm just really watching for the band touch to happen now. I'm in this trade at 142.05 with an 8-pip stop. The pink line is where I've entered. Price is moving lower. We've come down as low as 141.94. We have broken this little swing low. Here's a 4-hour chart, and where I'm hoping that this trade will go is down around the 141.50 level. Okay, we're hitting 20 pips move on this trade now. I have not taken any scales. I'm watching this trade, this price action pretty closely now. Once I hit 20 pips, I want to protect that. That's over a 1 to 2. I have another trade that closed at 1 to 2 today. I just traded the New York session, and I'd be happy with that. That takes me to my goal of a 1 to 4 on the day. So I'm watching to see if price continues to break lower. I just had another trade that I'm in, hit 20 pips, and that was on the euro pound. So those pips are worth quite a bit more than normal pips. So I'm looking to exceed my daily quota, and I can continue to be aggressive on how I manage this trade. We are breaking lower. We've hit 141.74 now. I've taken half off of this at 25 pips. All right, price has retraced into the move, and I have a half off at 25 pips. I have my stop at -3. So that way I'm locking in a little over a 1 to 2 on the trade. I'm sorry, that's incorrect. I'm locking in a little over 1 to 1 on the trade. Price has now hit 141.70. I have my stop into 15 pips now, so that guarantees me 25 on my first half, 15 on my second half. Price continues to drift lower. We've moved as far as 36 pips. I just have half off at 25, and I am watching what it does as it breaks these swings and comebacks and retests them. And I'm hoping that it gets down around the 50 level. We're coming down to 141.60, and I'm going to be closing my second half of this trade out soon. We've hit 141.55, and I'm just waiting for an indication that price is done making lower lows. This is a 5-minute chart, so you can get a little better look at what's happened. I entered at 142, just up here, and we are still making lows, hitting 141.54 now. I'm happy to close this out at any point where it tells me it's ready to stop. Here's how we look on the 4-hour, and I could easily see price going down below 141.50. Could come down easily to that 141.20 level, but I'm very happy with my day, and it's late in the day. It's almost noon. We're in the London close period. We are back on the 1 minute, and I'll probably be closing this out around the 141.60 level if we don't make any lower lows. I've gone ahead and closed this out at 141.60, giving me 40 pips on the second half of that trade. That gives me a 1 to 4 return on this particular trade. I just traded New York, and there were lots of trade opportunities. I was able to trade the euro pound short. Had a really nice trade on that. I traded the pound short, and I'm sure there were people trading the pound long that had nice trades today. Darren had a spectacular trade that he opened during the London on the Euro Oz short for 60 pips with an 8-pip stop, so he had an incredible return on that. The longer that we work with these methods, the more that we see opportunities to make nice return trades on a daily basis. Y'all have a nice weekend, and good trading to everyone.